could be a cold, dark night for people in Nevada County.
Yeah, the snow that fell yesterday ended up knocking out power to thousands. KCRA 3's Michelle Bandor is live for us in Nevada City right now with a look at the effort to get the lights back on. I'm sure they are ready for that to happen, Michelle.
Right, Golson, and it's getting cold, so those folks without power probably want that soon and tonight, and crews are working quickly. You know, we're right here at the Low Sierra outside of Nevada City, and we've got the trucks here and the equipment with Pacific Gas and Electric. We saw the crews actually go into the forest with some of their equipment. They told me that they were doing line patrols. They want to make sure that they've got all the lines up and that they're in good working condition and look for any of those downed power lines that they may have missed at the height of the storm. About 4,000 people lost power, but because of the work that they've been doing, the number of customers without power affected by that storm is now sitting at around 500.
Walk this way, I'll show you.
Walk with Carrie Taylor. And the snow suddenly turns her place into winter.
This is the first tree that big limbs that came down last night. Shook our garage pretty good.
And this winter weather is wet and weighs down the tree branches.
They just started coming down like gangbusters all over our property all night. Just boom, 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 boom.
Besides smashing fences and landing on roofs,
and the transformer blew and it just looked like fireworks.
Power lines are getting pummeled, and residents living along Scott Flats Road like Taylor are without electricity.
We've been without power and it's probably going to be several days, hopefully not 3 weeks like last January.
Utility crews with PG&E are working to restore power to customers from 4,000 at the height of the storm to just several hundred now. And even more crews are assessing the tree damage and will send others to clear out the weak and broken branches, preventing more power outages.
They're so dry that they crack easy, and with all the weight of the snow that came down so quickly the last 2 days.
Yeah, and many of the residents that we've run into here tell us that, oh, they're so relieved to get their power back on because they lost it last night, had a chilly night, and they really just want to stay warm again. Now, the Nevada City School District actually canceled classes today just for the safety of students and staff, but no word if they will have a class tomorrow. Hopefully, power will be back on. Reporting live outside Nevada City, Michelle Bandor, KCRA 3 News.
Yeah, a lot of families may have to be scrambling to make some changes there, Michelle.